Alright. Alright! We are going to watch Summoning Demons with a Microwave. Voices of the Void, which is the fourth part in Rubix Raptor's Voices of the Void series. Yes. That is what we're going to do. I've been enjoying this series quite a bit. So, I'm excited for this next one. I'm excited for this next episode. The last episode was crazy. So I'm very excited for this one. But before we start summoning demons with our microwaves, I must ask you a very important question. And that is, are you ready? Are you ready? You better be. Let's go. Episode 4, Voices of the Void by Rubix Raptor. Let's go. I'm excited.
I have an assumption that a lot of you do, and that Voices of the Void is mostly about aliens ruining your day in a Swiss observatory somewhere in the Alps. That then brings up the question, why is there so many demons? I have my...
You know what? After watching the previous episode, valid. Yeah, that's a valid question.
hands full being visited by incomprehensible cosmic terrors. What I didn't need is for me to discover a demon in some maze dimension and then get gaslit by my Twitch chat and to summon it into the earthly plane with me using a microwave. That...
Of course it was his chat to fuck him up. Of course. Why am I not surprised?
Is this video. I hope you enjoy another peaceful adventure in this rainy valley that I lived in, and please ignore my 9-foot-tall cat robot.
We love Kerfer.
I also got a coffee mug.
Oh!
A Voices of the Void coffee mug.
Oh!
Right here, look at that
Yo!
thing.
That looks dope as hell. That looks so cool.
What a wonderful beverage receptacle, you may say. I thought so too when I bought it. However,
Oh!
looked on the back of the cup. That's a demonic seal.
That's great. That's such a good little detail. Oh my god, I love it. I'd buy one. I'd get it. I'd buy it. Yeah. Well, guess he's cursed now. Yeah. It's worth it. It's worth it.
That's a fucking lesser key of Solomon sigil. I don't know if it's a lesser demon of like slightly warmer coffee. I don't want its business. That's what you get for a good cup of Joe, though, you know? Jay's
Right?
Sentient Fish for 15 community gifted. Please don't make your Twitch accounts completely centered around my being. I might be possessed by a demon in the near future, and you might not want to be affiliated with my name.
That cup, I would buy that mug. I would buy that mug. That's amazing. I'd buy it.
Oh my god.
Hi, Kerfer.
I forgot I told you to just wait here. You are menacing as fuck. He is...
He's just a little guy. I love Kerfer. I love Kerfer.
Forgot I told you to just wait here. You are menacing as fuck. He is exhausted from the... That's a claymore mine. I'm just gonna put that over here. Oh!
What?
What? Hey!
Wait, where?
Are you throwing rocks at my house?
Oh
What
my god, it is! I was trying to figure out what he was looking at. There's like 3 rocks over there.
Here. Oh! What? Hey! Are you throwing rocks at my house? What are you doing? It's my fucking neighbors. What do you want?
The Catgirls?
They're gone. God, look at them go. What are they doing? Whoa! Whoa! Lord almighty, that was terrifying!
Bro, I would have pissed myself. I would have pissed myself. I'm just checking out the monitor and all of a sudden... Yeah, no, that would have scared the shit out of me as well.
God, look at them go. What are they doing? Whoa! Whoa! Lord almighty, that was terrifying! Excuse me? Oh, that gave me a fucking heart attack! Kerfer, you need the RTB! Okay.
Where is
Okay.
Kerfer?
Oh, that scared me a little bit. What the fuck?
Looks like a fish. A little bit, right? Kinda. Looks like a fish.
This, you just normally see this on the scopes. This is just part of it, I think. What the fuck?
Oh!
Are those fucking legs?
Yep. Yep. Those are, in fact, limbs. Legs. Very short legs, mind you. Very short legs. That looks like a grenade. Or something that... Some kind of explosive. Not sure what that is, but... I wouldn't want to be near too close to it. I don't think I would want to be too close to it.
Are those fucking legs? It's like ripped in half.
Oh, it is. Wait, what did that say? Oh! What did it say, though? I want to see what it said as he hovered over it. Unknown device. Well, that tells me nothing.
Oh! Huh? Is this a gravity gun?
Oh!
Oh! We're so...
Yeah! Let's go. Fuck yes, a gravity gun. Yeah, baby.
Is this a gravity gun? Oh, we're so back, baby. What? I have a limb. Kerfer?
Oh, Kerfer. What you doing?
Kerfer! Kerfer, don't look at that! Left. You've returned to us. Take that.
He came back! Oh! Well. Maxwell! Maxwell came back!
Kerfer, don't look at that! Left. You've returned to us. Take that. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Jay!
Oh!
Jay!
Oh!
Jay! I know that hurt. As Doke RD. Nah, I can't read. I thought maybe I could make something out of that, but I don't think I can.
Oh! I didn't like that end. I think bro blew up.
Maxwell! Maxwell! Oh, Maxwell! It's a human skull. Oh my fucking god, it is! It's not even a cat skeleton, it's a human skeleton!
He's dead!
That took me by surprise! Note to self, guys, don't overpet your cats. They will explode. I've learned this. I have learned this. Don't overpet your kitty cats. Otherwise, they will explode. We learned a life lesson today, guys. We did. Poor Maxwell. I'm saluting. You can't see it, but I am saluting Maxwell.
I didn't like that end. I think bro blew up.
He kind of foreshadowing.
Oh, he's dead.
Jay,
Hey, chat, do I have a fire extinguisher?
how could you? Jay, how could you? How could you do that to Maxwell?
Hey, chat, do I have a fire extinguisher up here? Important question. The following is not my best moment, so
It's right there. To be fair, though, I would have missed it too. I'm not gonna lie. I also would have missed it. I can't talk.
I know if I don't include this, my chat would destroy me. Apparently, I kept rolling 1 on my perception because despite a fire extinguisher literally sitting on the wall right there, I searched my entire base instead for one. Following this, there was a demon just kind of standing in my room staring right at me.
Fuck that! Oh my god! No. I would have pissed myself.
Doing this, there was a demon just kind of standing in my room staring right at me. I was none the wiser. I just didn't see him. I just need a little shrimp, guys. Something
shrimp.
is close.
What? It's just Kerfer.
We're fine. Jesus Christ, Kerfer! Why are they so strong? That's a potato. Oh, look, a fire extinguisher. I've seen some blind streamers in this game, but good God, Jay. Hey, man!
The dev is in his chat giving him so much shit.
Potato.
That's great.
Oh, look, a fire extinguisher. I've seen some blind streamers in this game, but good God, Jay. Hey, man! I've had a turbulent day. Wait a second. It's that one now. Gotta take a little peek is all.
Oh, he's going in the vents?
I beg of you. I beg of you, please. There we go.
Oh,
Oh,
why'd it go dark? Oh, huh? Why'd it go dark? Oh my god. Why did it immediately go pitch black as soon as he went in the vents? Oh, oh no.
please. There we go. Oh,
Node graph out of date rebuilding.
oh.
Where the fuck is he? He no-clipped. He no-clipped into the back rooms. He no-clipped. He no-clipped into the back rooms.
Hello?
Oh, at least he has a lantern.
Of course you'd back room yourself? What the fuck do you mean? So apparently, there's a backroom prison for anyone who tries to clip out of the terrain of the map, and accidentally, I hit my head into a ventilation duct so hard I clipped out of reality, and now I'm in this labyrinthian prison. Oh! Oh!
Oh, it's
Hello?
so dark. It's so dark. Oh, down, further down we go.
Hey guys? Am I damned?
Yes.
I think I heard footsteps.
Go back? Here, let me listen. Did you?
I damned.
Oh, I did. He did. He did. He did. He did. I heard those. I heard those. I heard those extra footsteps. Oh no. Oh no.
Hey guys? Am I damned? I think I heard footsteps. I want to go on record and say, I'm not insane. Those were footsteps. There is a deer-like demon that lives in this maze that was stalking me the entire time. Thank God I don't encounter it in this maze. However, it follows me out of the maze when I return. Though most
So even if he gets out of there. Oh, that sucks.
due to a microwave, but we'll get there. I hate it here. Food? Bro, do you think I can eat down here?
Yes.
I didn't bring any snacks. I didn't think I'd be taking a little journey.
Oh.
Oh,
You can do it, Jay. Come on.
I'm so hungry.
Eat the lamp. Eat the lantern. Is that the
You
way
made it
back?
to the end, my lord? Did I? What do you mean the end? Oh, I crashed. It crashed me.
I'm guessing that crash is intentional.
Terrified of vaulting now because I'm afraid I'll clip into a shadowverse. Just got here. What's going on? Nothing. What?
Oh.
Oh,
What the fuck? What was that? What was that? And why was it messing with his four-wheeler?
Oh!
Was it siphoning gas? Was it siphoning gas? You know, with gas prices now, I understand. You know, not saying it's right. I'm saying I understand.
What? He cleaned the ATV, bro.
Oh, he did! He just cleans. That's just Larry. He cleans the ATV. Oh, so he's a good boy. Okay. He's just a little guy. He likes to clean. Okay, I like him then. Okay, I'm good with that. Thank you, Larry. I love him. Thank you, Larry.
What? He cleaned the ATV, bro.
Oh, big sponge! Big sponge! That is a big sponge. You think I could fit it up my ass? I'm sorry.
What? This is like better than the fucking power washer. This is crazy. Who even needs to sleep? I would buy a mountain mew. Dr. Penny? Shrimp?
See, even Thor wants a mountain mew. Ain't that right? The bear. You want a mountain mew? You want a mountain mew? Yeah. He said meow. Meow.
Who even needs to sleep? I would buy a mountain mew. Dr. Penny? Shrimp? I can't imagine this is that good.
Shrimp soda?
This is probably the worst thing that's ever been ingested by.
That instantly makes me think of like the ranch soda, the bacon soda, the sweet corn soda. Oh my god, it's that one company that does like just a bunch of horrible soda flavors. What company is it? Hold on. Ranch soda. Where is it by? Lester's. That's what it is. Lester's Fixins, which has bacon, pumpkin pie. I feel like the pumpkin pie wouldn't be that bad. I feel like pumpkin pie would be acceptable to a degree. But they have bacon, buffalo wing soda, sweet corn, pumpkin pie, ranch dressing, and peanut butter and jelly. I feel like the only acceptable ones in that are the pumpkin pie and peanut butter and jelly.
Human. Alright, go back to bed. I just drank a ton of shrimp. I can't go back to bed. I'm full of shrimp juice.
You guys telling me you wouldn't want to be full of shrimp juice? Fluffy, you can put him in clip submissions. Yeah. One second. There we go.
I was told to look at the cameras at this time, though.
Oh?
I heard a noise over here. I feel
also
like I keep
heard it.
dismissing that, but it was.
I also heard that.
I heard a noise over here. I feel like I keep dismissing that, but it was definitely out there. Dude, where'd all the meat go? The meat is fine. Chat. You guys are so concerned about my meat locker.
Is it fine though? Is it? Is it? Are we sure? Are we positive?
Look. Okay, no, most of it's gone. Someone ate it.
The meat was in fact almost all gone.
Look. Okay, no, most of it's gone. Someone ate it all. That's bad. Okay, we're on a mission to install the worst camera known to man out in the woods. It's just my fucking trail cam that I'm setting up.
Oh, what
Dude,
the fuck is that?
Fucking lizard
What is
brain
that?
instantly detected movement. Instantly
Oh,
locked.
hell. What the fuck is that? What is that? Right there. Right there.
Dude, my fucking lizard brain instantly detected movement. Instantly locked onto that motherfucker.
Oh! What? What? Beep, 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 beep. It's a Mintzey-sized car. It's a car my size. Finally. Finally. Dreams do come true.
I'm ignoring the car. I don't want anything to do with the car. I've tripped. Oh, it's just a minor contusion. You motherfucker.
Huh?
It's gone. Okay, well, he's escaped me. Jay, I'm stealing copper from your transformers. Last guy that tried got electrocuted and exploded, so.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, no. No. Oh, no. No. He looks like a little guy, but I don't know. Friendly? I don't know. Maybe.
Seems the Catgirl aliens have performed a first strike on my house. While I was trying to set up cameras at them, they sent a little beast at me. Why is Kerfer all the way over?
Oh. Uh-oh. What the fuck? What? No. Why? It's his guard. Right? Friendly. That should be. I thought the mannequins were on his side. You know what? Valid response. I would have done the same thing. Valid response. Would have done the same shit. Oh, he's trying to get out. Oh my god. You could hear him banging on it.
Oh my god, did you see how fast you went by the window?
Was that Kerfer? It was. He's just zooming. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Kerfer's got the zoomies. Look at him go. He is a speedy boy. He is.
Oh my god, did you see how fast you went by the window? Does Kerfer have combat capabilities?
Does he?
He wouldn't hurt a fly. He's just a horrific robot.
Don't, Jay, please don't jinx it. You are you're jinxing it. You are jinxing it, Jay, please.
He wouldn't hurt a fly. He's just a horrific robotic homunculus that I constructed out of dreams and a fissile reactor I found in the woods. You
Maxwell!
putrid beast. I killed him. He's dead.
No! Jesus Christ. Max is not well. Max is not well. Yep. Well, guys, if you have to bathe your cat, do it gently, please.
You putrid beast. I killed him. He's dead. Holy shit.
Looks like a giant meatball. He looks like a giant meatball now.
Genuinely, how do you keep killing Maxwell. Kerfer, don't look at me.
Is he eating? He's eating Maxwell. He's eating Maxwell. He's going to eat Maxwell. He's going to consume Maxwell. No, no, Jay, please. Jay, no. Oh my God.
Oh.
Jay, don't act all innocent now. You know what you just did. You know what you just did. You trying to wash away your sins? Is this you trying to atone for your sins that you just committed? Jay. Jay, please.
Pleasant shower. I only have the cold water knob. The hot water one is missing. Oh, hey. It's a haunted house.
Oh!
Trophy head goat.
I don't know if that's just a goat, Jay. Looks a little suspicious.
I'll take it, though.
Oh, there's footprints. There's footprints. Hoof prints, actually. There's hoof prints on the floor. On the ground. They look fresh, too.
Go. I'll take it, though.
That doesn't sound like wolves. No. No, I think that's a very angry goat man.
I heard a beast out there. Did you guys hear a beast?
Yes.
I found an
you
animal
took an animal skull
in the Christmas tree, or whatever this is. Oh! Oh! That's music! Dracula-ass song?
It really is. It really is a Dracula-ass song.
Or whatever this is. Oh! Oh! That's music! Dracula-ass song? I can't wait to find that the entire audio track is a copyrighted piece from some very litigious orchestra in like the Netherlands. They're gonna like mute that entire stream section. I was entirely right, by the way. That entire section got muted on Twitch, and I can't show you the full song on here. But no, it was an Earth-like planet that played classical music, which was very nice to listen to, and I can't show it here. Truly, just.
Papa, hi. Oh, you brought me your toy. You want to play fetch? Sorry, Thor demands fetch. Here. Thor, go get it. Thor demands fetch. Doggo, kitty. No, Thor is a kitty cat. He loves playing fetch. Thor, bring it. Did you get it, Bubba? Up here. Hold on. Okay. Bubba. Here, right here, Bubba. Okay. Up here. Okay. Ready? Go get it. Oh boy. No, Thor loves to play fetch. He loves it. Bring it here, Bubba. Go, Thor. Oh, you didn't bring it back, silly. Silly boy. Bubba. You gotta bring it back, Bubba. Here, you want my bottle cap? Here you go. Bye-bye. He loves playing with bottle caps too. Is that fun, Bubba? Is that so fun? Come here. There you go. Alright, let's see.
Classical music, which was very nice to listen to, and I can't show it here. Truly, just another nefarious action by the alien menace using the legal copyright system against me.
Oh? Metal detector?
I've got a little guy!
Oh, he's so cute! I love cat. Skibbity. 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 Metal detector? Found a little guy.
Oh! I've got a little guy! I've been told something happens. Get reports?
Oh! Off he goes! Oh my god!
Cover! Cover!
Wait, why did Kerfer do that? He asked them get reports. Is it because he told them to do something? Give him a paper with Skibbity. Oh! You know, honestly, if I was handed a piece of paper with Skibbity on it, I would have the same response. I'm not gonna lie. I think Kerfer's response is valid in this instance.
Huh? Cover! Cover! Why?
Shit!
Why?
God! He sent him fucking flying! Oh my god!
Cover! Cover! Why? Why? Oh no. That's canonically how Kel dies. I knew I created some godless homunculus. I didn't know I made him so strong. That guy was angry. That guy was angry and very strong.
That was terrifying. But you know what? I think Kerfer's response was understandable. Terrified? Yes. Understandable? Also yes. What was that?
Are you guys hearing
He's
something?
got a fucking axe.
Are you guys hearing something?
Oh,
Holy
what
fuck.
the fuck? What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh my god!
Oh, mother of God! Is that the fucking Borg cube? Hey guys, welcome back from the Twitch ads. As you can see, you didn't miss anything. Nothing's happening.
Oh my...
I'm so glad you've reported for duty.
That thing is massive! Holy cow! That thing is massive!
As you can see, problem? Question mark? What am I looking at? Get him! Ah! I feel like I need like a... Kerfer's get the fuck in the bunker. He doesn't want any part of...
Kerfer's like, why are you still out here? Get the fuck inside! Yeah, you know what? I'm on Kerfer's side. Yep, that would have been my response as well. Are those a bunch of cables under it? I think those are like all a bunch of like cables and stuff, right?
I feel like I need like an... Get the fuck in the bunker. He doesn't want any part of this. That's nothing, probably, right? Microwave the skull. I think you guys want to bring evil into my life.
Yes, I do.
Do it.
Foreshadowing. Foreshadowing. Foreshadowing, Jay.
Be fine. Okay, I trust you. You would never lie to me. Okay, this is a normal thing that people cook in their microwave.
Yep.
Go, my upside down deer skull. Oh, my shrimp platters! I remembered what this is, though!
He got an achievement. Oh, no, he got an achievement for that. He got an achievement for that, which says unleashed. Achievement, unleashed. Well.
Oh, my shrimp platters! I remembered what this is, though! Oh my god!
He remembered, Jay! He remembered where the fire extinguisher was! Let's go!
Wait. Guys, I was completely distracted by
Oh, it's gone.
Pile of shrimp. What was the achievement called? I saw it pop up in the...
And the achievement unleashed, and the skull is no longer in the microwave.
Order. Oh, I heard a radar contact. My potatoes are done.
Potatoes.
That's normal. That just happened. What was that?
Did you see it? On the left side of
Oh, no! Oh, fuck that! No. No.
Did you see it? On the left side of the doorframe, barely visible on camera.
When he can't save.
Kerfer. We're in some shit. That's locked. That's locked, and the upstairs door is locked. Hey guys, on the off chance, did you make me commit a demonic ritual in my microwave?
Perhaps.
It's getting
Possibly. Perhaps, yes. I'll never clarify.
worse on the fog. I'm being haunted. I'm just gonna drink a ton of coffee and ignore it. You!
Oh, fuck that! Oh, no! Oh, my God! He's just a little guy! Look at him! He's just a little guy! He just wants some friends! Send Kerfer out. Go send Kerfer out. See if Kerfer wants to be friends.
You motherfucker! Where's the demon? Nah. That's a cult ritual shit.
That is. You've been marked. You've been marked, Jay.
Where's the demon? Nah. That's a cult ritual shit. I don't like these. This one. That's some bad energy to it.
Yep.
This,
Are those bones? Oh my God, they are. They are. There's just bones scattered everywhere.
This is a good sign, right? Call your Catgirl neighbors for reinforcements. I don't think they would help me. I'd also sound insane to them. Hey, neighbors, I know we're on bad terms, but I put a deer skull in a microwave, and now the fucking Wendigos outside my house fucking Fortnite dancing at me, and I'd like some help. How long am I gonna get haunted by this dude? He needs to fuck off! I'm busy! You motherfucker, I know you're out there. You!
Oh, yeah.
Bro! Get off my lawn, bro! He's harassing me. I'm calling the police.
I'm calling HR.
Let's grab another. Look through the window. I'm fully aware there's a demon outside my window. Okay? Don't worry. He's just a friend.
Yeah!
He doesn't give off friend vibes. He gives off enemy vibes.
Oh no! Oh no!
Is that the
Is that the Curiosity rover? Jay? No, I don't think it is. I don't think it is.
Is that the Curiosity rover? Bro!
He's
fuck
right
off.
there.
I get it, you're a scary demon with blood arms or whatever. I'm trying to sleep. Please. Bro, you motherfucker. Where's the demon?
At this point, he doesn't even seem dangerous or like really that scary. He's just harassing Jay. He's just taunting him. Like that's all he's doing. He's not even like trying to like kill Jay or anything. He's just being obnoxious.
Where is he?
Oh, what is that?
What the fuck? Nah, I need to go over there. Hey, man.
Oh,
Oh, shit!
okay, not friendly, not friendly, not friendly. Not friendly. Looked friendly, not friendly.
Oh, he's got a gun! He's got a fucking gun! Oh, they shot me so many times. They shot me so many times. Hey, those are bombs!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, Jay, those are bombs, and that's a giant chicken robot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I gotta catch my breath. That caught me off guard. Those were in fact bombs, yes.
Hey, those are bombs!
Oh, he's dead. Oh, rip.
Tell them to stop shooting me! Okay, hi. My name is Jay. What is this?
Oh, he got an achievement. Wait. What was that achievement? Achievement. Yoink! Yoink!
Oh my god, that is loud. What are you doing?
That is very loud.
I can hear. Is that my guard? Nice meeting you. Whoever the fuck you were, your little guy shot me about 17 times, so you will get a civil suit for that.
Oh! You got another robot! Oh! Now, did that replace Kerfer? Or is this just a new robot? Is this just a new body for Kerfer? Oh, Kerfer Omega. Oh, it is. Okay, it is a new body. Yeah. Kerfer Omega.
Oh my god. Rubix, did you remember to eat your concrete? I did not forget to remind you. I hope you didn't forget either. Hey man.
Concrete.
You got some demons you're fighting. Kerfer, you do not need to be stanced up like that when you're fixing this.
Damn, Kerfer, I didn't know you were so thick. Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon. Hey, look, Kerfer's just showing off what he's got, alright? I would too. I can't blame him. I would too.
Kerfer, you do not need to be stanced up like that when you're fixing this server. How about a prime sub for the marriage of Kerfer? Okay, I'll take your $5. That's enough for me. What was that? Will you marry me?
Oh my god, will this actually work? Oh my god. Oh, if this actually works.
Hey, Kerfer, can you get reports for me?
Yeah.
Reports are already completed, dumbass, and yes, ooh woo.
Wait, is that actually how Kerfer replies? That's great. Oh my god, I love that so much. I love that so much. That is great. Well, Jay and Kerfer are now canonically married.
Reports are already completed, dumbass, and yes, ooh woo. Hey, and we're ending at like not midnight this time.
Kerfer has
So
a hat now. Look at him.
might be able to raid someone that's alive at normal hours. Zach Hazard. Zach is a lovely soul. That's all the recommendation I need. Okay, he's talking about Arby's right now for some reason. I hope you guys enjoy.
A perfect conversation to raid into. A perfect conversation to raid into. Yeah. The blue Kerfer is a girl. Oh, I didn't know that. Good to know. Blue Kerfer is canonically a girl. Oh, okay. Good to know. You know what this outro reminds me of? Oh my god, Banjo and Kazooie. Banjo and Kazooie. Yeah. Yeah, Banjo and Kazooie.
Howdy, voice of the...
No, chill. Wait, Jay,
Howdy,
wait.
I might have an...
I have to go back and watch. Or, like, there we go. That was episode 4 of the Voices of the Void series by Rubix Raptor. And that was great. Each episode, I feel so lost, but also not. Like, I've been thoroughly enjoying. I've been thoroughly enjoying each episode. It's been great. It's been great. the amount of randomness. It feels like you never know what's gonna happen. You started playing it last week. Such a good game. Yeah. I said we watched the first 2 episodes. We watched. I ended up buying the game on the second episode myself. It's good. It's so good. I've been very much enjoying his series. It's been chaotic, crazy, and confusing, but still so good.